Hey, I'm Scott Guy with RTR Grillers, and today we're going to talk about an old hickory pit. We're going to change a fan motor out that's went bad. We're going to change from the old style fan motor to the new style fan motor. For y'all that don't know me, I'm one of the moderators on the Fans of Ole Hickory Pits on Facebook. And a lot of people ask this question when they get the old style, they want to switch to the new style fan motors from the old style. And I thought we'd just do a video and show you how to do it. So here we go. First, we've got to take off this panel. Always make sure your pit is unplugged anytime you work on it. Mark will come in. Our fan motor is right here, which is one of the more common things in a restaurant and people that use them a lot that goes bad. And it's simple as we've pulled our cover off and we've unplugged it. Our pit's unplugged. We're going to come up here and we're going to take the fan cover off. This pit's still a little dirty. We're going to take our fan off, which these fans should be cleaned every couple of weeks. Now that our fan's off, we can take, there's 4 nuts or bolts, and we will just simply unscrew them. If it's got a lot of buildup, sometimes you'll have to take a screwdriver and knock some of your seasoning off. Now we're going to come back and we'll just simply pull the fan motor out. And this is one of their early style fan motors. New style fan motor. This is how it comes from Ole Hickory. We'll simply, it just lines right back up in the holes it was there that are previously drilled.
Scott, what's new and different about this particular type of fan?
This fan motor is an improvement from the older fan motors because it's got a fan here that's actually keeping the little motor cool. I'll pull it back out. It's got a fan here and a fan here, so it's, in my opinion, it's an upgrade. And that greatly improve the life of your fan motors. However, cleaning and maintenance of your pits will greatly improve the life of your fan motor too.
So just reinstalling the bolts, the fan blade, the cover, the shroud, and all. Now, do all of the connectors match right back up?
Good question, Mark. Sometimes you got to change the spade connectors to a wider one, which I'll have to. These fit right on. You do want to make sure that
That's just 2 plugs. That's pretty darn easy.
It is. You do want to make sure you got the right rotation once your pit is up and running. And if it's not rotating the right way, we'll just simply swap those 2 wires.
So what is the right way?
With the fan, when your fan's here, you want your air blowing back to the back of your pit.
So in this case, that would be counterclockwise.
Yes, sir.
All right. You heard it, guys. Match it back up. Make sure your fan's rotating counterclockwise, blowing air against the back of the pit. If it is not, just reverse the polarity on the spade lugs and off you go.
And that's as simple as it gets to change a fan motor. It's really about a 20-minute job.
If the pit's clean.
This pit's not clean, but it's getting there. Simply reinstall your fan. If you look on the bottom of the fan motor, there's a flat on the shaft that comes out. You'll just align the shaft with your Allen key.
Make sure it doesn't spin on the shaft, right?
And to make sure it doesn't spin on the shaft. And simply reinstall it. You don't want to get this too tight, but you want to get it tight enough to where it doesn't come off. Tighten your 4 bolts up, put your cover back on, plug your pit back in, and you're up and running again.